This is a quick and easy recipe to prepare. It takes about 10 minutes to prepare, and cook time is about 25 minutes. So it's about 4 people, but of course you can adjust the quantities if you want to make more. So the first thing I've done is I've got about 500 grams worth of potato here, which I've boiled in boiling water for about 5 or 6 minutes. You want them still to be firm, you don't want them falling apart because they can have a bit more cooking. In the frying pan here I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which we're going to heat up. Just over a medium heat, and what we're going to do is I've got 1 onion here that I've just roughly chopped, and that's going to be fried for a few minutes, about 3 or 4 minutes. So let's just get that oil nice and hot, and then we will add the onion. This will make a great lunchtime dish, great supper dish. I'm going to be using 1 tin of corned beef, standard tin, about 340 grams. And I tend to buy my corned beef not from the supermarket. It tends to be a bit more pricey. I tend to either get it from B&M, Home Bargains, Farm Foods, those kind of shops that you get a tin for about a couple of pounds compared to about £3.50 in the supermarkets. So we're just going to fry that for a few minutes, and then we'll be adding the potato and the corned beef. So after about 3 or 4 minutes you can see the onion has taken on a nice colour. What we're going to do is we're going to add the potato. It's about 500 grams of potato. So they're just chopped and cooked in boiling water for about 5 or 6 minutes. And then we'll add the 340 grams of corned beef, just chopped into chunks. Let's give that a stir. And then what you want to do, once you've got all that added to the pan, just with a flat spoon or a spatula, just push it down. Give it a nice push down all around. You don't want to break it up too much, you just want to sort of get it pushed down a little bit. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to let that cook for about 4 or 5 minutes, and then what we're going to do is we'll turn it over to cook the other side as well. We just want to get that nice and brown on one side before you do the other. And then we've just got a few other ingredients to add, and then it will be nearly done. Like I say, don't take long. So as you can see, after about 5 minutes, if you turn the potato over, you can see it's starting to get nice and crispy and brown. So we're going to turn that, give that a mix, just so we can get the other side done. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Worcester sauce. Add that in, and then I like to add a bit of ketchup, so let's add a bit of that in. Give that a good mix. And then we just want to cook that for a few more minutes just to get the rest of it nicely browned. and the flavour of the Worcester sauce and ketchup to be incorporated into the potato, corned beef and onion. And then it'll be ready. So after about another 4 minutes it's now ready, and I like to serve it with some baked beans, and you can serve it with some cabbage, whatever your preference really, but I think corned beef hash and baked beans goes really nice together. And then just a little sprinkling of parsley on top. And there you have it, corned beef hash. I hope you give the recipe a go yourself, and thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.